Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to carve text in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first, we need to click on Insert menu. From here, click Word Art and then choose any of the style from the Word Art. So I just click Word Art style and then you're able to type your desired text here. I just typed here Noor Hasan tutorial, then okay. So I see that this order style appeared here. From here I just need to click on wrap text in front of text, then I able to move this as I want. Okay, now I apply curve style here. So click on format and then click on change shape and click this arc option. And if I need more arc, I just need to move the point. Okay, here is the way apply curved text in Microsoft Word. Thank you.